What up? Wanted to do a quick empty house tour. I've been actually doing work. You can see the beads of sweat just dripping all over my face. But anyway, let's just check out the place. This is the front room, and it's a door. And then, not sure what goes in the front room. That's that. This is where the dining room's gonna be. And stuff, and looks out. Got a nice little porch on the front there. Some neighbor houses. All right, so we go straight into bathroom. It's down this hall. Then we got our living room. And this is our backyard. We're gonna have Cash's first birthday party here. Should be the event of the summer. And I guess it's like a little nook. I think Bree's gonna put some sort of table here. And then here's the kitchen. Bree wanted white. She got her white kitchen. Go down this hallway. Laundry will be here. And another back door to go into the yard. And this is Cash's future playroom. Kind of goes to the side of the kitchen and makes it convenient for Bree so she can watch him. And then of course this is just the garage. And let's head upstairs. We're gonna call those banisters. We're not happy with those. All right, so we're going upstairs. And start off with the bedrooms. One bedroom. We want to get a different chandelier for that. Another bedroom. And then this is the bathroom. Sinks, all that. It's bathroom. This will probably be Cash's room. This is bedroom 3. Stuff. Stairs. Go down the hall. Bedroom number 4. This is gonna be my office. TV here. Desk somewhere here, I believe. And all my toys right there. And I love this view of the yard. Look at that. I'm breathing heavy because I've been lifting boxes all day. And I'm not in shape. Oh wait, it's our master bedroom. There's 2 doors here. One's open, one's not apparently. Yeah, there we go. This is the master. And all that. So, it better be there. And then, we got walk-in closets. I own like 6 shirts. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Bree will probably take that as well. And this is Bree's. And then the bathroom. The soaking tub. These are her sinks. And all that jazz. So yeah, that's a quick little tour. We're gonna furnish it. And then we'll probably do another tour just to see how we did with the decorating. Thanks guys.